Yo, what's up, everyone? It's your favorite mentor, your one and only Forex hero. I go by the name of Ofentse Ledwaba, and today, guys, I'll be showing you just how I'm able to catch the massive breakout. So you'll be able to understand the breakout strategy, and also looking at the fact that, um, looking at what not to do and what to do. But without wasting much time, you know what to do, guys. The same support that I give you guys, please make sure you also click the like and the notification bell. Also, do not forget to subscribe, guys. Let's make sure that you are part of the family. And one other thing, if you like to use the recommended broker, FSCA regulated, and they also offer 100% bonus with as little as minimum deposit of $10. Make sure you click the link here below and register with a regulated broker. It's one of the most trusted broker with more than 10 years experience in the game. That's why I'm using them as well. And also they have giveaways. So each and every month there's a draw. So automatically when you start to trade, your account is put into a draw and you can win gifts such as your iPhone, your PS5s, and many other more. So let's make sure you are part of the family. Now I'm gonna be giving you the strategy of the breakout. Let's go into the charts. I'm on the charts, guys. As you know, I'm very excited to share this massive breakout strategy with you guys. One thing that I would like to tell you is that I like to show you guys to be able to understand that when the market breaks out, we have uh, forms of breakout. Sometimes you'll have this type of breakout. I just want to show you breakout. Okay, and then you have this breakout, and you find out the market moves, right? But sometimes you have the very same situation whereby you'll have this break, and then the market will do this, possibly do this, then come back to do what? To retest something like this. Oops, come back, comes back to retest this point, right? And then sometimes you have something uh, in this manner, but only retest here. I want to show you this. Oops, this coming from, and then you'll find the market respecting this place or this area, then it comes to retest here. So can you see here we are having three different retests. You can say here it retested this diagonal uh, trend line, which is the diagonal. In this instance, we can call it the diagonal support because it pushed up. So can you see sometimes you have this different types. So you just need to be aware, even when you place your trades, your stop loss should be below the previous low. Never make a mistake of putting your stop loss in the wrong direction or in the wrong place. So let's start with making sure that you understand. With this strategy, you'll basically be know the basics and you'll become successful at what you do. So, same thing. You see now I'm on 30 minutes. Let me go to 1 hour and find all the breakouts on any time frame. Can you see we are having a breakout, right? Can you see this breakout simply shows us that we are pushing to the upside? Can you see there was no retest? The market didn't come back to the zone to retest. But what I'd like to tell you is that if you know that this is your high, we broke the high, right? But we have this breakout. So now I'm saying we broke this high and there is a chance of coming back to retest here because now it's simply telling us now this becomes your what? Your floor, right? As long as the market is still above here, we are still pushing up, because as I've explained with the staircase, you know that this one, if the market breaks below, then it's pushing down, it's coming to retest. So if we do indeed break, that simply means we can come to this zone before we push up, because now you can see with this movement, it's simply saying we are now what, pushing in an uptrend. So if we break this, that simply means that we've reached more like our TP. So we have to simply understand that we broke this high. Now we are simply saying we can go back, retest, and push, because now the secret or the rules of uptrend, you know what to do. Breaks the higher highs, respects the lows. So now I can say this now becomes our what? Our higher high, and then this is our higher low, and we'll have a new higher low here. So this, you can see it's gonna break this, come back, even no matter where it comes back to, no matter where it comes, it's simply saying it broke it, right? It closes above this, above this, then we know that it is broken it. And then what I normally do, I'll also use my feed just to confirm. Let's say it closes around here. So you can see that we are having 618 and I'm seeing the 8.6. Right. So let me show you much more deeper, and we understand and show you more breakouts, right? The breakouts that I'm going to show you, you'll be able to apply them with ease. Make sure you understand what is currently happening. Look at the bigger one. Can you see that we also broke this one, this bigger one, right? This is the breakout. We broke here. So I'm expecting the market to, you see it's breaking this one, to come back down, retest before it can push up. But sometimes what it does, it doesn't go back to where we expected to go. But you can see we'll be looking at understanding that this is, well, matter of fact, a breakout. A breakout simply means that we broke out of this downtrend, we're pushing down. Now we are in a what? In an uptrend. Okay. So with the breakout that you get to see, you be able to understand whenever you are doing your chart patterns, your reduced risk entry is happening where? At the break. Can you see even here? Okay, fine. Now, the other thing that you need to put in place is understanding when the market breaks, what are you looking for, and where can you put your stop loss? Can you see my stop loss will have to be here, because this is the highest high. I cannot put my stop loss here because my highest high is here, the previous high is here. Even if you can use what is it, a line, you will see that this is higher than this, right? So you just need to understand where you are putting your stop loss. So my, put this point here, and then my stop will be somewhere here. Then I'll say, obviously I'm taking it to here, right? But you can see what happened here. The market pushed up to this point, but you can see it didn't touch our TP. But obviously we know that we keep on trail stopping, moving our stop loss into profit, right? The break, put your order here, and then can you see what happened here? You can have another break here. Can you see that even this one, what did it do? It never went back to return. But now with this one, we can see that our highest high is this one. So we know we are giving the market a little bit of a room, but not too much. But understand that you need to put your stop loss in the right place. So the market broke here, we take it all the way down. So this also assists you in understanding the trend that you are in. You get to see and make sure that you can at most see how the trends are placed. So you're not get caught up on the wrong side. Can you see? Even this one, I'm using chart patterns, but you can see the breakout will be here. Can you see? What would you do here? Put your buy, and then it is much safer to put your stop loss here. Why? We have a small little line here which was developing. The point was showing you that now the higher low is higher than this, or this new higher low. There's a new higher low. So you know that whenever you are pushing to the upside, we are having new higher lows and new higher highs. So you can see it breaks. So this one giving us an information. I'll be more than happy having my stop loss just here. You understand? 65 pips. Then you take it all the way up, because you must always remember the end. How would you know that? Okay, fine. Where do I put my what? My TP. I took the fib in reverse from this point, taking it here. So now I can see that the highest point that you can take is this one, and another one will be here. We'll have your TPs, right? So you can have this and this, right? Now I'm gonna remove this. If you don't know how to use the fib, your TP point will be coming using this, right? The beginning of this, you can see we are what? We're coming from the top, and then boom, then you start to break the higher highs, then you push. So you know that you are expecting the market to go to that point. Okay, now you need to go. Okay, so can you see we broke here and then we pushed here? This becomes what? Your final TP. So in between you'll be having TPs, right? Yes. So that, for instance, goes in situations like this. You will have a break, and then the market will come back to retest. So let's look at this one. We had a retest. We broke here, push, the highest point will be here, then we went boom. Understand? So where was the retest? The retest happened here. Understand? The last order block. Can you see? So even if you did put your buy here, you didn't know it was gonna retest, then you put your stop loss here. Can you see you are still safe, and your TP, final TP will be here, right? And then you put your order, say when it comes to retest, you know, the high showcase, then you can scale in, then you put, lift it up. You see? So I'm glad I could share the breakout with you. Always remember that even with the downtrend, is just the opposite, but we do know that what you need to do is understand the breakout structure. So make sure you are able to spot them and analyze your lines. But also one important thing, don't forget that the market doesn't see your lines, right? We use them as guidelines. For me, your favorite mentor, please catch me in the next video. Peace.